Today we will learn how to apply normal distribution probability function to real case. Please read this problem first. This problem is a very simple one, but please assume this problem actually has large size data and they analyze their probability distribution, their price, and they use this mean value and standard deviation to understand some probability or their distribution. This problem is basically is about normal domestic airfare in US, and their average is 385, and there are some other information about this domestic airfare. And also this problem basically domestic airfares are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 110. So actually this is a keyword, domestic airfare. So now we can write the equation, or we can rewrite this one in mathematical form. So x is our definition. Our definition is domestic airfare. X is domestic airfare. Then we can say x follows normal distribution, and with the mean value 385 and standard deviation 110 and square form. So we can use this one. And then now we can solve several questions. First question, what is probability? What is probability that domestic airfare is 550 or more? Then we can rewrite this way. P stands probability. X, domestic airfare is, this is X actually, and X is greater than 550. Then we can rewrite, and in the previous time we learned that this is greater than area. Then so first of all, draw graph, and average is 385 and area is 550, and we want to compute this probability area. But this case we cannot use norm.dist function directly. Instead we have to use 1 minus p of x is less than 150. So it means you have to compute this probability first, and then subtract this probability from 1. 1 means a total, right? So now let's try to compute this probability in our Excel spreadsheet. So then for this case, x follows normal distribution. X follows normal distribution 385, and standard deviation was 120. So you can right here, then you have every information that you need. And the first question, P is X domestic airfare. X is greater than 550. So for this is right side area, then you have to use 1 minus p of x is less than area. Then with this you can compute equal 1 minus norm dist, and what is x number? 550. What is mean number? 385. What is standard deviation? 110. And what is cumulative? Yeah, this is cumulative, and we have this probability. So our answer is 0.0668. And second question number 2, what is probable that domestic airfare is between 300 and 600? Then what is probable? Then you can write P, and the domestic airfare, this is actually X is between 300 and the 500. So this interval case, again you have to draw chart, and what is center? 385, and we have 300 number here, 5 number is here. Then you shade this area, we have to compute this number. Then for this case, for interval, so you have to write x is less than 500 minus x is less than 300. So now for this problem, again, you can write x is 300 less greater than x less than 500, which is x is less than 500, right side number minus left side number. So this is our formula. Then you can write first of all norm.dist, what is left side number, 500, what is mean number, 385, what is standard deviation, 110, and cumulative, minus again norm.dist, and what is left side number, 300, what is mean value, 385, what is standard deviation, 110, this is cumulative. So you can type these two norm.dist function. Also this is negative from difference. Then you can get this problem. This is 0.6322. This is shaded area. And next question, this is we have a probability 3% highest. 3% highest. That means you can draw graph again. Highest, this is right side, this is a 3%, and this is actually top 3%. Then what is the other area? This is 0.97. Means for normal case, we do not use right side area, we take into account all the time left side area. So then for this case, top 3%, this means 97 percentile, right, 97 percentile. For then we have to use norm in function. This case is percentile number, not 3%, 97 percentile. Mean value is what is mean? 385. What is standard deviation? 110. Then 591.88789. This dollar is our top 3%. What is our mean value? 385 is our actual median mean. But if the cost airfare is 591, then that is almost top 3%. So you can solve this problem using norm.in function, norm.dist functions.